Oh, it's that moment when you realise you struck gold. Look at that spalting. It's absolutely, I know it's going to be deadly. One soft bit there. The rest of it looks wicked. Frosty morning. I'm here with Matt. Hello, Matt.
Hello.
Right.
Hello, Matt.
Hello, Matt. Cracking, what a spot, man. Look at these trees. There's some wicked old yew trees here, like really nice. Anyway, it's beech dead. Here's the shot of it, you know, being felled. Back with me now. Well done. It's a nice shot, that, wasn't it? So we're going to plank it. You might have seen it on my Insta fame. Got a little bit of spalting in it. So we just chucked a ladder on yesterday, and then we sort of went home. It was raining quite hard. I had some other stuff to do. So ladder on top, nice and secure. We've checked its level with the sighting sticks down both ends, and there we go. Measured down from the centre. From the top of the rail to the centre of the tree here, both ends get them the same, then you won't be coming up through the fibres, going down through the fibres. And I don't see anybody talking about that with chainsaw milling. It's mega important. Right, anyway, warm up the saw, here we go. Nice. That was cutting beautifully. Downhill really helps. It's, you know, it's quite an angle downhill. Cutting beautifully. I mean, it is a new chain. You know, it's only had half a dozen cuts on that chain. No little machine to move the wood though, so doing it by hand, which is going to be fun. Right, I'll show you a picture in a minute, I guess. Right, it's night time. For years, I've done the village fireworks display. You know, I started it when I was 18. Anyway, I did get shut down the village where I live, but I'm now in the next door village. You know, as soon as I got shut down, they said, "Oh, we'll come and do it for us." So 1 minute to go. What I'm going to do is try and I'll do a bit at the beginning. Then when I hit the finale, I'll just film a bit of that. But I mean, got to see whether you see it or not. You know, but do something great for your community. Basically, do something great, right? And just put a bit of time into doing something for your community, raise some money. That's what I do, really. So yeah, anything involved, right? Ready? Hey, good fireworks. Love a bit of fireworks. Lovely.